Hi, I'm Dr. Young Price, integrative doctor and naturopath and owner of Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics. Thanks for joining me today. I'd like to talk to you about what is perhaps the single most important and neglected part of your body. It's so important that I call this organ system the foundation to all physical health. It's responsible for how well you defend yourself against viruses, bacteria, and parasites. It enables you to absorb nutrients and energy so that you can feed those trillions of cells that make up your human body. It also houses your immune system. It also produces a vast majority of neurotransmitters, things like serotonin and dopamine, that helps you feel relaxed, calm, and happy. In fact, it has such a powerful impact on your brain, your emotions, and your whole metabolism that specialists refer to it as your second brain. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's your gut. Most of us think of the stomach, pancreas, small and large intestine as key parts of the gut. But the gut also includes your microbiome, the friendly bacteria that lives inside your gut and helps you to digest your food. There's a lot to your gut, but the most important thing to remember is that when your gut is healthy, so are you. You absorb nutrients well. Energy is good, digestion feels great, and your immune system protects you from the toxins and invaders that enters our body. We feel great because all our brain chemicals are well balanced. But when your gut isn't healthy, you can get sick, very sick. For example, do you get indigestion or reflux or an upset stomach? Do you experience bloating or suffer with constipation or diarrhea? Do you feel like you have irritable bowel syndrome sometimes? Do you even feel that sometimes you might feel run down or unmotivated or even depressed? Do you even get the flu or cold easily and feel under the weather? If so, all of these could be signs that your gut is struggling and you need help. So if you've been suffering from any of these issues, I'm sorry. I know it's not fun. Each day I treat people who have been struggling with allergies and skin problems and digestive issues, hormonal issues and emotional challenges. And they usually have no idea that their gut is involved in such health problems. So that's why I created my Gut Reset workshop to help people like you address their gut health and recover their energy and well-being again. So I'd really love for you to come along so that we can address many of the issues that lead to gut problems. You see, poor food choices, a toxic environment, stress, and even negative emotions, beliefs, and trauma all stress out our gut. And when your gut gets stressed, you feel the result. You can get digestive problems, feeling run down, low immunity, unbalanced emotions. And these are just some of the symptoms and signs of an underfunctioning gut. I've been an integrative doctor for nearly 30 years, so I've seen my fair share of gut problems. I've literally helped thousands of people successfully address their digestive and emotional immune issues associated with their gut. But the secret to my success has always been much more than just prescribing vitamins or minerals and even a healing diet. Sure, nutrition plays an essential part, and almost all practitioners I know neglect the most important part of healing the gut, and that is you. What does it mean by you? It's actually your emotions, beliefs, and even other non-tangible aspects in your life that impacts you on your health. Things like when you feel emotionally sick when that bill arrives in the mail, or how you feel anxious and worried if the phone rings and you think it's your mum or someone that might trigger you. All these emotional responses change how well your gut does its job. But that's not all. Limiting beliefs like thinking that you deserve to be sick or you just can't get well also affect your gut health. Even your upbringing, the emotional and traumatic events you've experienced and other issues can all impact on your gut's health. So addressing these fundamental components to true well-being is what I call conscious health. And conscious health focuses on the emotional, mental, and even spiritual aspects of wellness, because it's been my experience that it's these things that need to be addressed as much as, if not more than just nutrition. This is because what we feel, what we think, and how we act affect our physiology, our biology, and therefore our bodies. Conscious health is a brand new way a new approach of addressing the core element of health, and I'll be dealing with conscious health of your gut in my Gut Reset workshop coming up. In this full-day, activity-based, transformative event, I'll be joining forces with acclaimed Neuropractic Kinesiologist Helio Matahari to clear physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual blocks that are preventing your gut from functioning as well as it should. In the Gut Reset, you'll go through a powerful range of fun and powerful activities to open you up to the emotional belief-based and spiritual issues that underlie your gut problems. You'll also undergo specific clearing activities designed to identify those emotions and belief patterns that are sabotaging your gut. And then we'll remove the energetic stress so that your gut can function effectively at the energetic level. We'll also be using advanced, cutting-edge technology and techniques to make this portion of the workshop really transformative for you. We'll also get involved in some other fun, interesting, and effective ancient wisdom healing techniques that will relax you, calm you down, and center you so that your brain-body communication and emotional functioning will be optimal. This is going to help you, your whole being, as well as your gut specifically. So why not look at joining myself and Helio on the 28th of April, full day of personalized attention from two world experts in a small group transformational experience that's going to really supercharge your gut and help your holistic wellness in a way perhaps you've not felt before. I believe you're going to get a lot out of this workshop, and your gut will be reset so it can give you a great strong immune system, great digestion, calming neurotransmitters that's going to make you feel great in every way. All you need to do now is call Beyond Good Health, BGH, and book your seat. So I look forward to seeing you on the 28th. Thanks for listening.